Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can temporarily disable your Snapchat account. Please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write comments. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to Snapchat. In the upper left corner, click on our account. And in the top right corner, we see a gear. Click on it. Scroll down to the bottom. You'll see a section called Delete Account. Click on that. To do this, we will need to enter our Snapchat name. Click Next. Now we need to enter our Snapchat password. Click Next. We see this page delete your account. You may have before this page appears. Snapchat will ask you to enter a code from the messages that will come to the phone number to which your Snapchat is linked. I don't have that, but it happens. We go to this page. After that, and we see at the bottom that we can enter our Snapchat name and password. And only after we've written our password, we can delete the account. But there is one thing. Unfortunately, we can't disable the account completely or delete it. Snapchat, now we can only temporarily deactivate our account. So if we enter our name, password, confirm the action by clicking Delete Account, our account will be deactivated for 30 days. For 30 days, we can go to Snapchat and go back to our account. If we don't do this for 30 days, only then will Snapchat delete our account. There's one more way that's probably very obvious, but I have to show you all the methods. It's just to take Snapchat down. Here we see Remove App. Click on it. Or in order to remove it, we just need to click Delete App. And that way we will delete our Snapchat. So these are the two ways to disable or delete our Snapchat account. Hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.